Hey, this is Ross from Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're back up in Hudson at Tri-County Locksmith, and we're going to do the second part, or the second half of the building. So next door was pretty bad, but this floor is even a lot worse. So this building that's been around for a little while, so as you can imagine, there's all different types of floors that have been on here and through here during the years. So the biggest thing is that the building actually used to end right here, and this was the sidewalk that was in front of the building, like outside now. So this being the sidewalk, of course at the time there was no consideration about the height of the building on the inside. So today we have to get this down to within 1/4 of an inch as per code. And the way this floor goes is some is going to be up, some is going to be down, because it's a little wavy the way it goes. So we have a lot of stuff going on here. We have Thinset, we have carpet glue, there's some really chunky Thinset concrete that we're going to have to get off the floor. As you can see, this used to be a terrazzo floor at one time. These are, I don't know what they are, but we're going to have to get them out of here. There's about 1,000,001 divots that we're going to have to fill and fix. And of course, as we get this ground, we're going to see more. As you can see, we're going to be busy in here. We're going to clean up this threshold, tie it back down into the floor. Now, we did do the bathrooms previously on this job, so at least they're off our checklist. They're a little dirty, but otherwise they look pretty good. So we're going to tie this all, we're going to go with the same color in this building, or this side of the building I should say. It's going to be Domino. So let's get started, because we have our work cut out for us here today. So these were drop safe stanchions. So we had to cut this metal back to get it to be below grade, so we can then fill it up and smooth it out. Let me tell you, that was some hardened steel, because they were set up for drop safes. This used to be a gas station, and there was 2 of them. This was not fun. Okay, so here we are. We are all prepped up mostly. So we did a lot of grinding, a lot of coating removals, a lot of repairs. And now what we're done, or now what we're back down to, is now going to float this transition out. So we've prepped this all up, we've cleaned it all up the best we can. We got rid of a lot of mastic and other material out of there so that we get a really good adhesion with the floated floor. So we got this transition all fixed up. As you can see, all the carpet glue is gone. A lot of nail holes were fixed on this job, a lot. This is where the stave stanchions were. 1, 2. A lot of other repairs. Everything's all ground up. So we're gonna pour this floor and let it lie, let it level, and then we're gonna walk away for today. But when we get back, we're finally gonna get some chips on this floor. And as you can see, again, a lot of repairs. Tied that transition in, filled that void. And this is why we use blue epoxy for repairs, so you can see what's going on. Makes it very easy to go back and find out what you got to go back and regrind back. Okay, so let's get this floor floated. Okay, so we have our floated floor in. As you can see, that huge void is gone. This is all nice and smooth with epoxy and chips. We'll never know it was here. And we actually trimmed this job in. That's all right. Okay, we're all set up for our pour today. So what we have is a series of 3 pours that we're getting ready for. We're going to start at the back. So we have our epoxy all ready to finally do a final mix before pouring it. We're pre-mixing over there. So as you can see, we're all set up. We have our pours marked on the walls. So this job is going to be 3 pours. There's pour 1. There's Laura working on pour 2, getting ready. And then our third pour is going to be up here. We have those chips outside that we're going to throw. So we're going to move along. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are all done. A lot of repairs to get this floor looking this nice. A couple different types of surfaces. This is where we self-leveled the floor out to 1.25 inches to build it back up to marry up with this section over here. A lot of thinset removal, carpet glue removal, 1,000,001 nail holes that were in the floor that we all patched up. This color is Domino, and we did the bathrooms here previously, so we followed suit with the same color throughout the rest of the job. So the bathrooms we had done previously, we did coves in there and baseboards. So this is where the 2 drop safe stanchions were that we cut below grade, refilled back in. Give us a nice surface. And this is what that 1.25 rise looks like. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.